Candy prints, parrots, singles, doubles, quadruples, tulips everywhere. It's gonna be a bomb spring. It'd help if I put them on the right feet, huh? This is a kid messing with them. Kid boot, daddy boot. Oh, Lord have mercy, it's cold out here. I don't want a short shovel, I want the flat shovel. It's tulip day. We're gonna put a lot in the ground. I'm being enlisted during the workday to help get us started. So let's take a look at all that we gotta do, which means we gotta take out some dirt. So I need the manual implement, the mighty flat shovel. Both got our rolls. The wife's waiting over in the garden to see how this is gonna work. So got some extra soil today or yesterday. The local Lowe's is getting used to me buying pallets of soil. It will be once I get shoveling. I'm not gonna be warm enough ever. That's a statement of all women in all places for all time.
We are who we are.
So what is it we're gonna do today?
We're finally planting our almost 3,000 tulips. It is finally the day. We've been talking about this, I feel like, since July. So it's finally time to plant them, and I'm so excited.
3,000. I think I told somebody
like
10,000, but we're not there yet.
No.
10,000's maybe next year.
Yeah, maybe next year.
10,000 would be what, $3,000?
Yeah, we'll see how much
not
Oklahoma
too bad.
likes tulips.
We got to get customers first, so.
Yeah.
All right, so how many can you fit and what kind of raised bed? So that's where we're at.
Well, you technically could do the math, but I don't like math, so I stopped. But I'm thinking that I can fit all 2,500-ish, 2,800 in 2 beds that measure 3 by 10, planting them like you would eggs in an egg carton. That's how close they're going to go together.
So you can fit a lot in very little space. So everybody should be doing this, right? It's so easy.
No, if you're planting your tulips in landscape, you don't want to plant them this close together. But if you're planting them because you want to cut them and bring inside, you can plant a lot in a small space.
That's pretty crazy. You can put $1,000 of bulbs in
This tiny little bed.
30 square feet. Let's take a look at the bed here.
So this had, these 2 beds had all of our tomatoes in them. And so I've scraped back the mulch. I've pulled up the tomato roots as much as I could. There's some of them that were too strong for me. So Eric's gonna have to do that. And we need to shovel out this bed to about 7 inches down. And then I'm gonna lay all the tulips out again like an egg carton. And then we're gonna backfill them, water them in, and hope to see them all in April. That's the plan.
And that they grow to the right height.
Yes, and the right height.
They don't open too early.
All of the potential disasters that
Well, these are the reasons why it isn't something everybody can do.
That's true.
The precision required.
We've followed all the things we should do. So now it's just waiting.
So I'm technically still on the work clock. Don't tell my boss.
This is lunch hour.
Oh, lunch hour. My job is to scrape back a lot of the soil. Then we need to bring over the 3,000 bulbs so we can take a look at that stock. They've been sitting in
And my labels.
They've been sitting in a fridge that we bought purpose for that in our cottage that I've been working on, slaving on the last month.
Yeah. Again, we've checked all the should list.
Chill hours. I think we've already talked about those in other videos.
Yeah,
but
they've hit their chill hour.
so you have to really
Artificially cold them.
artificially colden them, chill them.
Colden them.
them.
The coldening has occurred.
The coldening of the bulbs has occurred. Highly technical here on CDF.
Coldening.
The coldening of the bulbs. But here, you guys, just take a look at our naked garden. First task done. Using our 6-inch shovel here. I want them down about 7 inches. So, it's looking spot on. Now let's get the tulip bulbs. My wife said I'm not using my normal voice.
You're doing your movie trailer voice.
Today we will plant some tulips. We don't need a tractor to do this, but it is a lot of tulips and it would take a couple trips otherwise. So we're gonna involve the bucket, which I haven't used in a while anyways, into the beautiful cottage.
Nick! Rock bridge of tulips.
Chilled, colded.
Colded. What did we say?
Coldening.
Coldening.
The coldening bulbs.
The coldening place.
Let's see what we got here.
Candy prints. It's a really pretty single purple. Havana. That's a parrot. Amazing parrot. It is an amazing parrot.
And getting coldened at 38 degrees. So let's get them over there.
3,000 tulips in one tractor bucket. See, if you plant them really close, you don't need a lot of space.
What are we doing now?
I'm going to sort them. I want to kind of keep my single varieties together and then a lot of my parrots together. Just for my brain, they could all be planted together. It doesn't really matter, but I'd like to see it that way. So I'm going to sort them and then see what the distribution looks like. So they're going to go like as far as I get, and then I'm going to do the rest single varieties as far as I get, and then like a lot of the parrots and fringe and whatnot over there.
came out for the last minute mulch help here. Say hello. So we got all this stuff done. It ended up taking an extra 1.5 beds. So we've got that bed, this bed, this bed, and then she had to do a little bit over here. Candy prints, parrots, singles, doubles, quadruples, tulips everywhere. It's gonna be a bomb spring.
We did it! 2,800 tulips planted. My math and estimations were wildly off. We needed 2 of the big beds, we needed another 3x6 bed, and then we needed half of a 3x6, so a 3x3 space to fit everything. But the count at the end was 2,800, which I'm super excited about. We watered everything in, got a nice mulch on top, and we pretty much just let them live until March and hopefully start to see them sprouting.
Let them live,
Let them live, please. So we're done.
The Candy Prince is her favorite name.
Okay. I'm cold. I'm going inside. Go team.
Go team.